How to change your name on your Gmail account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your display name in your Gmail account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Gmail app and then you have to click on your profile icon and click on manage your Google accounts. And from here you have to click on personal info and just scroll down, and here you can see name. Click on name, and if I want to change the name I will just click on name again, and from here you can change your name. For example, if I want to make this name, and from here you can select your last name, and after changing your name just click on save, and you can see my name has been changed successfully. So guys, in this way you can change your display name in your Gmail account in just few simple steps. If this video guide is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.